Hello everyone, I'm Charulata from second year IT department. So today in this presentation we are going to talk about green technologies in agriculture. So these are the topics we are going to come across in this PPT. They are green technology, goals, branches of green technology, sectors of green technology, strength, challenges, advantages and disadvantages, and the last is conclusion. So, here is the first topic, green technology. Green technology is a relatively new field that has grown quickly as people have become aware of their detrimental effects on the environment, including global warming and the greenhouse effect. Green technology is one of the fastest growing employment sectors and is surely much more than a passing trend. It is a wide encompassing field. A green technology covers a constantly evolving group of methods and materials, from methods and practices for generating energy to non-toxic cleaning. Green technology involves reduction of waste, prevention of environmental pollution, chemical substances management, biodiversity conservation, reduction carbon dioxide emission. So, the next topic is goals of green technology. It includes reduce, recycle, renew, refuse and responsibility. So, we are moving on to next topic, that is branches of green technology. The branches of green technology includes green chemistry, green energy, green IT, green building and green nanotechnology. So, the next topic is sectors of green technology. The sectors of green technologies are agriculture, energy, water and waste management, building and transportation. So far, we have come across branches and sectors of green technology. Now, we are going to talk about strength and challenges of green technology. Strength of green technology: ability to meet strict product specification in foreign markets, reduction of input cost, environmental image, ability to meet stricter environmental regulations in the future. The challenges of green technologies are high implementing cost, lack of information, no alternative chemical or raw material, no known alternative process technology, uncertainty about performance impacts, lot of human resources and skills. So, in this PPT, we are going to talk about advantages and disadvantages of green technology. First, we are going to see about advantages. It does not emit anything harmful into the air. It can slow the effects of global warming by reducing carbon dioxide emissions. It can bring economic benefits to certain areas. It is renewable, which means we will never run out. It requires less maintenance, so you don't have to sell out a lot of money to operate it. So, the next topic we are going to see about disadvantages of green technology. It is initial cost, it inadequate savings, competition and marginal impact. This is the last topic of our PPT. So, I conclude that the present necessity and expectation is that this field will bring improvements and changes in daily life for better. The aim of green technology is to make people live better without compromising on quality of life. Green technology covers a broad area of production and consumption technology. It has created significant market opportunities for various companies. Green technology product promises to eradicate the greenhouse gas emission. Live life cleaner by making earth greener. Thank you. Once again, I would like to present my sincere thanks to Chandrakala ma'am for the motivation behind the project.